I hope you all been well. Today I have two pieces of Hermes to unbox with you, and I like to talk a little bit about my Hermes wish list for 2025. So not to waste your time, let's dive right into the unbox of the first piece. How about the bottom one first? These days I am mainly in flat shoe, and I have been looking for a pair of pointy flat and happened to see this new style online. I think it would be perfect for my daily style, daily use. Just lie in and go. From the picture online with pointy tips, it looks a bit narrow, so I decided to get a half size bigger than my true size, but I was wrong. This one does run true to size. So, ta-da! This is the new Kelly Ballet Flat. It is a new style, and I'm pretty sure it is still online. I will link it below if anyone interested. Of course, get it through your SA, or your SA can order it for you. So this one comes in black, white, gold, and dark green. I got myself a black pair because it's just easier to style. This is how it looks. Even though it is a flat ballet shoe, it is nice to have a little lift, and I think it's just maybe just 1/8 of an inch. And this have the iconic Kelly buckle in palladium with the Hermes embossed stem right there. So this is not a true operate Kelly buckle. You can see it does not open all the way, and I don't think you have to open it all the way for you to get in and out of the shoe. This seems to be comfortable to walk in. We'll give it a try, and if it is truly comfortable, I will let you know. If this is, I also consider getting the 1-inch heel because I just love the look of this style. We'll also link that style below as well. So, do you like my new ballet flat? The next piece, it has to do with my Birkin that I recently got last November. Ever since I got my Birkin, I've been eyeing for this one online and checked with my sales associate, but haven't got the right opportunity to score one. Finally, my sales associate found it. It comes with here booklet. And also with the buckle insert, just like a bag. Ready? Ta-da! This is a 40 in the size 20 and organizer insert with one main compartment with many snap button closure pocket around the insert, well, except on the sides, with two small pieces of leather here. So this is with the hidden code, and this one is with the Hermes stamp. This is made with the same material as the dust bag, though a bit thicker because it has 2 or even 3 layers. My main reason of getting this insert instead of the other brand insert like the Saving RP or the Zumani is Birkin is an open tote bag, and I believe not too many people will close up the bag with this flap. Let me just show you how it looks inside first. So this is how it looks inside. So with this insert, anytime I want to protect the stuff, my content inside, from falling out, I can use this drawstring to send in. And this is how it looks. You see that? And another reason I want to get this insert is anytime I want to switch back between the Birkin and Kelly, I can use the same insert because this one fits inside Kelly 25. See? So one insert for two bag. I forgot to mention with the leather, you cannot really throw this in the washer. So my main reason this one is just to protect spilling inside my bag. So if your purpose of getting an insert for structure wise, the Saving RP might be a better option for you because it has more structure comparing to this one. So 4B insert come in two sizes, size 20 and 25. The size 20 will fit in Birkin 25 and Kelly 25, and so Kelly 28 as well. The size 25 will fit into Birkin 30 and perhaps Kelly 32. What do you think? Is this a better organizer insert for Kelly and Birkin? I'm curious to know your thought. Put it in the comment below. Now let's talk about a Hermes wish list for 2025 with my current collections, including Kelly 25, both style in Retin-A and Cellier, Kelly 28, Birkin, Constant, Della, Picotin, Mini Bullies, and Mini Evelyn. So what is my next bag? I gave it some thought as well, and I'm pretty content with what I have currently. I'm trying to rotate and enjoy all these bags. I know Mini Kelly, I'm not interested in Mini Kelly, and if you want to know the reason, I will link the video here. Not in a hurry, but if the opportunity is presented, then I like to add a Kelly pochette to my collection. I'm still a little reserved about it since it is a handheld bag. I do wish it's come with a strap, but again, you have to try it to know whether or not it's right for you. Just like these two bags, I still prefer Kelly over Birkin, but I know that I love this bag more than I thought I would. So yeah, Kelly pochette is my only wish bag for 2025. And that is all for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Also remember to give this video a like. And if this is your first time finding me, welcome. And come back for more content of luxury purchases, experience with hack tips and tricks. And if you are a return subscriber, thank you so much for your support. And we'll see you all in my next one. Bye bye.